Good morning. I hope you are fit and fine. In this video, we are going to discuss a beautiful poem about rain. And the title of this particular poem is In Time of Silver Rain. Do you like rain season? So, of course, your answer will be yes. And if you like this rainy season, this poem is for you. So, let's start this particular poem in time of silver rain. So, in the first stanza of this particular poem, the poet Langston Hughes, the poet is Langston Hughes, and he is one of the nature poet. He's always writing something about the nature. And here, Langston Hughes said in the first stanza, in time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow, and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. So, here in this particular first stanza, the poet is telling about the silver rain or the rainy season, and he said that in time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. So you all know it very well that water is a vital element of the nature. Without water, it's not possible to survive in this or on this particular planet. So it's not possible to survive without water. So here in this particular first line, he is praising the silver rain and he said that the earth puts forth new life again, right? Due to water, it's possible to gain the new life. And of course, due to water, it's possible to grow the new life again. And green grasses grow due to the water, due to the rainy season, and flowers lift their heads. So, rainy season is a very beautiful kind of a season, and in this particular season, everywhere you can see the green color, and green color is the indication of the life. It's the indication of happiness. It's the indication of prosperity. So, you can see everywhere the flowers lift their heads. They started growing, and here all over the plain the wonder spreads. So rainy season is like the wonder. Wonder means it's like a miracle. So everywhere you can see the greenness of the nature, and everywhere you can see beautiful kind of the flowers which are lifting their heads, which have started blooming. So here you can see the beautiful picture of the nature after the rainy season, or you can say after the rain, right? So here you can say that a rainy season is very important for the life or the human beings, right? Because this is the indication of life, of life, of life. So in the first stanza of the poem, the poet would like to tell you something about the rainy season, which is very important and vital for the human beings. And without water, it's not possible to survive. So when the silver rain falls on the earth develops new life. Green grass grows and the flowers lift their heads. The wonder of life spreads all over the plain. So after discussing the first stanza, we are going towards the next stanza, which is the second and the last stanza of the poem, in which Langston Hughes said to us, in time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing. In joy beneath the sky, as down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new, so he is again praising the rainy season. And in this season, there are so many movements are there. And he gave the example of the butterflies. And of course, the butterflies lift their silken wings. Everywhere, these butterflies, they are just flying here and there to capture the nectar from the flowers. So here you can see the butterfly which is capturing which collecting the nectar from the flowers. So these butterflies, they're also trying to catch a rainbow cry. Have you seen the rainbow? There is a miracle whenever rainbow was there. And of course, this is the miracle of the nature. And this is only possible on the earth. And whenever rainbow is there, so we can see the beauty of the nature. So here he said to us to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing. So of course, remember, whenever rainy season is there, there were so many leaves which are growing to the tree, and new leaves to sing. They are actually singing. So trees are happy due to the rainy season, and they are once again grooming. And of course, remember, this is one of the indication of the life, right? As down the roadway passing boys and girls, those who are going to school, right, they are very happy. It means whenever you are in the rain and when you are going to school, how do you feel? So you feel very happy. Why you feel very happy? Because everywhere water is there, and of course, to play in the water, that is the funniest kind of the thing you had done, right? So passing boys and girls, they were actually singing in this season. They were so happy, like you. And in time of silver rain, that children are actually enjoying the season, right? So due to the pandemic, it's not possible for us to enjoy that particular moment. But I hope this particular situation will be recovered soon, and you will get the chance to play in the rain. So with this positive feeling, we're going to discuss about the last thing. And of course, the spring season is very important because that is the new life. And in this particular season, you will get so many examples of the new life. So with this concluding remark, that in this poem, the poet Langston Hughes praising the silver rain or rainy season with the help of natural imagery, because this poem is full of natural imagery. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Stay tuned. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.